Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by fixing the input format so formulas can read every number. Put each numeric value in the same cell separated by a single consistent character, like a comma. Once done, remove extraneous spaces or non-numeric text so the split operation yields only numbers. Make sure the delimiter matches your formula's expectation, otherwise the split fails. This early discipline prevents parsing errors and lets you apply a single formula that will convert each fragment to a number and then sum them. Now apply the formula that turns the cell's fragments into a numeric array and totals them. Enter equals sum value text split A1, replacing the delimiter as needed, for example semicolons or spaces. The text split function breaks the single text into separate items, value forces each item to become a number, and sum adds them. Once the formula is in place, it updates automatically when you change the original cell. If you use regional list separators, match them so text split splits correctly. Finish by validating results and handling edge cases. If your Excel version lacks text split, use filterxml with concatenated tags or create a tiny VBA user-defined function to parse and sum. That's the only practical fallback. Make sure to strip symbols like $ or parentheses with substitute before converting, because value will error on text. If you see hash value or wrong sums, check the delimiter and remove stray characters. Once corrected, the single cell approach will reliably produce the total you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.